Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Makeup. In this video I'm gonna show you this ring light. I got this new baby. It's 18-inch ring light and I'm gonna show you everything. It's 100 watt. Okay, this is how big it is. Okay, it's 100 watt and which is like 4 to 200 lux. It's the lighting, the strength of the lighting, and every detail that you need to have different temperatures. Really good actually. I'm having for my photo shooting, so I hope this will be nice. And actually it has a large stuff in here, so let's open this baby together, show you what I have in here. So actually it came in this beautiful box. I don't know, I guess I'm gonna, yeah, I guess this is nicer. I really hope. Anyway, so this is the packaging and it comes in this beautiful bag. Okay, this is really perfect if you're gonna take your ring light with you. You can hold it with here, so you basically can take it with you everywhere. So focus. Thank you. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna open up this beautiful baby. And here we go. So this is the ring light, and as you can see, it's a huge one. Okay, it's really hard to record from this angle. It's a huge one. It's really nice. And here I can like change the temperature and the lighting from these two. And I have a little socket here. Okay, I have a little socket here for the camera, and I have a little foot in here as well for the camera, or for mic, or for like an extra lighting, anything that fit in this foot here. And as you can see, have this little handle just right here. I guess we can move it around. Yep, like, yeah, so it can bend. That's pretty nice. So I can bend it to the front, but I'm not gonna move it now. Anyway, I'm taking it out, just closing it. And here, this to fit in like the holder. I'm gonna do this. So I have the lighting. It doesn't have any stand, so I need to use one of mine. And here we go. I have like a lot of things inside. So first of all, you can change the temperature and the lighting from these little babies here, or you can use a beautiful remote. So you are like sitting on your chair and the light is far away, you can use the remote to change everything, which is perfect. And this for, I guess, for the phone, really nice, so you can have your phone on. And I have another, like the small foot that fits in this part right here. This one fits in this part, which is perfect. So I have an extra accessory. And of course I have my wire to electricity. And it has a bonus thing, which is perfect. I really love it. It has a beautiful mirror, so you can see. This is my camera. So it has a beautiful mirror with magnifying. So this part is normal, this part is magnifying, which is perfect. But you need a small stand to add this one too. So that's what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna search for a stand for this beautiful. But the mirror is so clear and so beautiful. This is the magnifying part. So I'm gonna leave and it has a battery as well. I'm gonna leave this now. I'm not gonna use it. I just want to show you the lighting. So what we need to do is just take that out. Okay. And okay, I'm gonna add it just right here. And I need to search for like an electricity source. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, here we go. And now I'm gonna open it. Okay, so now it's open. Should. Yeah, why it's not working? Okay, what's the problem? Okay. Yeah. Okay, so it's closed, open, and here we go. Can you see that? Can you see the difference? I'm gonna close it right now. I'm gonna open it. Can you see the difference? It's perfect. Oh my god. It's perfect. And of course from here you can change the can dim it. This is the maximum yellow. This is the maximum white. And this is in between. Difference. So perfect. And you can dim the light if you want. Close it, open it, and it's perfect. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this one with it. So it takes 2 small battery. Okay, and close. It's so beautiful and so neat. To really love it. Wow, you can see. Okay, so it's the maximum thing. It's off. Night mode. Okay, on. Okay, this should be night mode. So this is for temperatures and section, like changing between them. It's pretty cool actually. I really love it, and as you can see, the difference in the lighting is so strong. So I can't wait to use this one, guys. Really, really beautiful. Okay, so this is for this lighting here. I am using it, so I'm gonna sit up and I'm gonna show you how it's gonna look like after I finish everything. So yay, that's it. I really hope you like the new lighting, and I really hope you like the new setting. I'm gonna see you soon. Bye. Okay, so one thing I forgot to mention, you can use electricity to switch it on, and there is another 2 places for batteries here. You can see this is 1, 2, so you can use it like a portable one if you don't have electricity source. So that's great. And I found out it doesn't only have this like small footing here. Okay, the squared one, it has this small like scrolly hole in here, and also have like a 1. There's another one just right here. I have 1, and I have another 1 in here, so I have 2, and I have 3 another other foots, like, so I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. I guess if you need to add multiple lighting or multiple things attached to the ring light, it's really big and really heavy, so it can hold a lot of things. And there is another small like scrolling hole in here as well, So it has multiple options for attaching multiple stuff to it. So it's really sturdy. It's really heavy, and at the same time have multiple sources to attach, like multiple things, like another lighting, microphone, camera, mobile phone, anything you can attach it to her. So it's really nice and really love it. So that's the thing that I just forgot to mention. And here we go. That's it. Yeah.